Hello everyone. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the remote control track chassis. In this video, we will walk you through the operation in detail. Let's dive in. First, turn on the power switch on the remote control, and then turn on the power switch on the machine. Now let's move this machine. By using the remote control, you can easily go forward, backward, turn left and turn right. It's very simple. This lever controls the speed of the machine. You can switch between high and low speed depending on your mowing needs. Use this lever to set the cruise control. Finally, to turn off the machine, turn off the power button on the machine itself, and then turn off the power switch on the remote control. That's it. Thank you.